Chapter 4, Chart Window Basics. The larger panel in the center of the screen is called the chart window. It displays the historical data of financial instruments. By right-clicking the panel, a drop-down menu box will appear, presenting several options for customizing the interface panel. For example, if you right-click on a specific chart window, you can open your transaction by selecting the New Trading option, or you can adjust the time frame of the chart displayed by clicking Time Frames. To change the perspective, you can zoom in or zoom out from the drop-down menu. By selecting Properties, you can customize the colors and other common features of the specific charts. By accessing the Window tab, you can organize the display of multiple charts in a cascade, horizontal or vertical arrangement, and arrange icons. In our next tutorial, you will learn more details about chart panels.